Hello everyone, welcome to C4chess. Here we will talk about basic opening principles. The aim of the opening is to quickly mobilize your forces and seize the center. Okay, so the first aim, the first principle is to quick development of the pieces, starting with the central pawn and the development of the minor pieces quickly as possible, and finishing up the castling to keep your king safe, and then just to control the center to start with the attack after that. So we will start here with e4 and then just taking out our 4 knights, and then we will move out with the bishop, and then we will go for castling. This is a basic development that I have shown here. You can develop and other ways also. Even sometimes the bishop comes out before the knight. But our main motto is to quickly develop our pieces. If you see any grandmaster games, you will see how quickly they mobilize their pieces, and their aim is to control the center. You must take out your pieces towards the center and not towards the corner. Taking out the knight from f3 and not from h3. Very important to place the knight at the center. The knight becomes very powerful from the center. And therefore, you must develop all your pieces as quickly as possible, and then finishing up the castle and trying to take the initiative once your pieces are all out. Also, you must keep in mind that the same thing you must try to prevent for your opponent. Trying to stop him from development and doing the castling. If your opponent is not doing the castling at the proper time, you must try to attack the king.